if we really trust God, we don't have a care in the world. Wasn't it Bach who has a chorale, "Come Sweet Death"? Well, it is sweet when it's perceived as the last barrier to total immersion in God. Hope is in the infinite mercy and power of God. A combination that is surefire, you might say. Because it's not relying on oneself or one's good deeds. He's invited us to become his most intimate companions and sharers of the divine nature, and does everything possible to get us there. So the issue is whether we'll consent. And this is my prayer, that your love may increase ever more and more in knowledge and every kind of perception, to discern what is of value, so that you may be pure and blameless for the day of Christ, filled with the fruit of righteousness that comes through Jesus Christ, for the glory and praise of God.